Hi, this is a quick unboxing video in relation to my IBM 5395 3U UPS. When I got that UPS, the front bezel was damaged, so I had to do a quick repair on it. Didn't have the rails and various other little bits and pieces. As luck would have it, I found a place in the States that was selling the rails as part of a kit really cheaply. It was looking like I was going to spend about £50 for just the rails alone from Germany, whereas I actually managed to find this kit, and it's got the bezels and everything, so I'm really pleased with it. So here we go, let's have a quick look. So inside I have the brand new USB cable. For this one I've actually got two of those, serial port, and sorry, the second serial port cable. I thought it was two USBs. For this kit it's the actual 2U version, so I've actually got two brand new 2U covers, including so I've got the extended battery as well as the standard coat, which is obviously a bit of a spare part for me because I don't need them. I have the shipping plate, so I can actually secure it nicely if I want to move it anywhere. This is one that I'm most interested in. This is the brand new bezel. So we're going to try and get this out of the packaging. Not damaging any legs. So there we have the brand new 3U bezel, undamaged, and then the connector for the emergency power off switch, so I can actually set an EPO switch on the UPS. And here's my brand new sealed rails for the UPS, so I'm looking forward to getting that installed in the rack pretty soon. Anyway, that's enough of the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.